Take a ride in the 2026 Transit 350. The Transit 350 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.